पश्चिम बंगाल के शुभेंदु अधिकारी सरकार द्वारा पशु वध को लेकर लागू किए गए नियमों पर हुमायूं कबीर ने गुरुवार को विवादित बयान दिया था। अब इसको लेकर सांसद अग्निमित्रा पॉल ने हुमायूं कबीर से कहा कि अगर वह नियम नहीं मानना चाहते हैं तो दुनिया के किसी भी इस्लामिक मुल्क में जा सकते हैं।
It's a rule that we have in Bengal, 1950s rule, and that rule is there in Bengal. So you can't really, say that why it's not happening in any other state, because this rule is not there, and this had been there for years. It's 1950s rule, and the previous governments didn't apply it because they had to play vote bank politics. So the rule is that with till 14 years, no cow or of that family can be slaughtered. And after 14 years, you have to give a certificate that the cow is sick or the cow is not being able to perform the responsibility that the cow has been supposed to do. The certificate has to be given, and if we see that the person who has given the certificate has wrongfully done it, that person will also be punished.
My second question is that Humayun Kabir said that the government can make a rule asking Muslim not to eat beef, but ritual sacrifice Qurbani will continue. We won't listen to any objection. It's our tradition. It's going for near about 1400 years and will continue as long as the world exists.
I mean, Qurbani can go on, but if it is above the age of 14 years for a cow or for that family, the certificate has to be given. Mr. Humayun Kabir, if you have to stay in Bengal, you need to follow the rules of Bengal. And if you think you can't follow the rules of Bengal, you are welcome to go to any other state where you are allowed. Or that, if that is also not allowed, you can go out of the country. There are other 55, 56 Islamic nations, where you can go. But if you have to stay in Bharat, you have to behave like a Bharatiya, and you have to follow the rules and regulations of the Constitution and Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita.